Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Marilyn and today I'll demonstrate a simple way on how to format your Word document like an essay, a thesis, or a paper, anything you're trying to get uniformity in your text. So let's start. I made a short document of 2 chapters, each with 4 paragraphs. In the default setting of when you open Microsoft Word without any formatting at all, you get Calibri 11 and all that. So let's get started. First, we change the font for the normal body text, so Control O, then let's go to normal, click on modify. That's right, click on normal, then click on modify, then Times New Roman, let's say 12, and click on this. Depending on the requirements of your essay, I just looked this makes it neater as all the text runs uniformly. Yeah, so I like this. Then click on OK. As you can see, our text is already changed to Times New Roman, runs uniformly as we would like. Then let's go to the headings. Chapter 1 being like the main header gets heading 1, so click on heading 1. As you can see, it's blue. Nobody really submits anything in that blue text. So right click there, modify, Times New Roman, let's make it 18, make it bold, change the color to black, let's say a line on the center. And to make the title to be in caps, click on format, click on font, and tick all caps. Okay. And chapter 1 is done. The heading of chapter 1 is done. So for chapter 2, you can go ahead and put your cursor on chapter 2 and click on heading 1, or put your cursor on chapter 1, click on format painter, and then click on chapter 2, and then it copies the format of chapter 1 heading to chapter 2. Then let's format the contents of chapter 1. So you have different indentation requirements, line spacing, paragraph spacing, and all those. So let's highlight the paragraphs, then go to the paragraph editing section, click on this arrow, indentation, first line, let's say 0.3, line spacing, multiple, and let's say 1.25, and say OK. As you can see, each and every paragraph in chapter 1 is well indented or formatted as we would like. But there are spaces between the paragraphs, even though they describe the same thing, or we don't want that. So to remove the spaces, click on the first paragraph, click here, remove space after paragraph. The same for this, remove space after paragraph. Now, instead of maybe clicking on paragraph 3 and going here, you could click on paragraph 2, format painter, and click on paragraph 3, which automatically copies its formatting to paragraph 2 formatting to paragraph 3. And click on paragraph 3, format painter, and that works for paragraph 4. As you can see, chapter 2 has only the font formatting, nothing else, and we want it to look like chapter 1. So we can click anywhere on chapter 1, format painter, and then highlight the whole of chapter 2. And as you can see, indentation done, line spacing removed. Oh no, as in line spacing done and spaces between paragraphs removed, which is a very easy way of formatting. So maybe we can do another chapter here, chapter 3. Welcome. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Then chapter 3, heading 1. Welcome. Maybe we want this format painter. Click here. Indentation copied, space removed, and all that. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new. like, comment, share, subscribe, and come back. You can leave any questions you have in the comment section. I will be glad to answer them. Bye.